Welcome to this tutorial on understanding your credit score in the budget game. What is a credit score? A credit score is a 3-digit number that represents how financially reliable you are. A higher number means that you have a history of being responsible with how you use credit. Keep in mind that your income does not impact your credit score. What matters is how you manage your loans and debts. In the budget game, the only type of credit you will be using is a credit card. When you start the game, you will have a credit score of 450. The range is a minimum of 300 and a maximum of 850. How to improve your credit score? You can improve your credit score 2 different ways. The first method is by using your credit card. If you never use your credit card and only use your debit card, your credit score will never improve. The second method is by paying your credit card bill on time and never carrying a past due balance month over month. How does your credit score decrease? Your credit score can take a hit if you consistently use more than half of your available credit limit. This calculation is done daily, so it's essential to keep an eye on your credit utilization. For instance, if you have a credit limit of $750, you'd want to avoid exceeding $375. Your score could also go down if you're late on paying any of your bills. How to view your bills? To view your bills, click Bills from the left side panel. You will see all your invoices, including your rent, TV and internet, cell phone, car insurance, and car payment. If you're playing on full-time mode, you will also be responsible for paying health insurance and student loan payments on time. At the top of each statement, you will see a due date and the late fee that will apply if you miss making the payment on time. Your credit card statement. Click Credit Card to view your monthly credit card statement. It's important you know your APR percentage. APR stands for annual percentage rate, and in the budget game, you will have an APR of 20%. Your credit card statement will be issued each month on the 9th and will become due around the 26th. You should aim to pay off your credit card bill in full on or before the 26th of each month. Calculating your daily interest rate. If you don't pay your credit card balance by the 26th of the month, you will be charged 20% interest after that date. To calculate your daily interest rate, you need to divide your APR by 365. 20% divided by 365 is 0.0548%. So for example, if you had a balance of $465 on your credit card, you would be charged 25 cents on the 27th, or the day after your balance was due. This might not seem like much, but don't be fooled. These costs can add up very quickly, especially if you have a high credit card balance. Every day the interest gets added to what you owe, so you will be charged interest on the base amount plus the interest on the interest. Best practices for building a good credit score. To keep a good credit score, follow these best practices. Use your credit card responsibly and make regular purchases. Pay your credit card bill on time and never carry a past due balance to avoid interest charges. Keep your credit utilization below 50%. Avoid late payments on any of your bills. Maintaining a healthy credit score and building your credit wisely is one of your main objectives in the budget game. With these best practices, we hope you start building a good credit score that carries over to how you use credit in the future. Thanks for watching.